1727. At this moment, that's the hottest numbers. We did get them more movement than rest of the numbers you see on this betting grid during 500 games, rounds, whatever you call them. So, two lucky numbers are here, 10 and 19. 50 X's for both. This is the high even number from third dozen here. So, well, this time that's the high number. Before we used to have lots of low, but that wasn't different. That's the high number. Let's post. Numbers. So, 1, 17, 25, and 32. 32 with 100, well, actually all of them with 100 except for the 17. 17 with 200. 4 black. 4 black is here. Well, low and even number, 15 and 19, 21 and 2 are the even numbers of that 4. Well, the one we just got here. Yet again even number, well, this time pick out the low one. Still, from the very start till now, this low numbers, well, didn't appear much, mostly. Did appear much. And, well, few high numbers we also got that. 27, 34. 3400, 27, 50x. This is 20. 20 this time. Number from Warful Line section. While yet again black one. Well, till now lots of numbers from Warful Line section did appear as well. 20 is one of them. On this betting grid it looks quite nice too. Between it, well, in between 17 and 23 dense a lot. 8, 30 as well. No bad guys. Bad place. So 4 line numbers are here and 28 players do bet on them. 10, 20, 21, 32. 10, 21, 50s. And ladies and gentlemen, we just got our first multiplier here. 10 black and tier section and 50 actually. 50x is all yours, ladies and gentlemen. Excuse me, guys. I froze for a while. Excuse me. 1050x is all yours if you did bet on this cheetah bets, and still if you did bet on other regular bets, still congratulations if you could win with this number 10 or color or dozen, so on and so on. Let's catch some more multipliers. They're too good. 0, 11, and 14. 0 with 100, 11 with 50, and 14 with 50x. Seems like yet again we are catching the number from the same section, same tier section. 24. 24 tier section. 10, 5, 16, 33 are the neighbor numbers of that 24, the high number from second dozen. 0, 23, 26, 29, 30, 32, 35, 28. Mostly you were better than high numbers more, since most of those high numbers were dancing around. Alrighty. So 3 line numbers are here, 5, 30, and 34. 5 with 50, 34 with 50, 30 with 100x. 16. Well, yet again, tier section, we just changed the color. Also, we just got the low number here. Low and hot, cold. So cold numbers, 11, 16, 19, 35, and 18. That's the 5 numbers which are in the top 5 of the coldest numbers list at this moment. It's time to pull this lever down, ladies and gentlemen. Time's up. 4 line of numbers. That's 5, 10, 13, and 18. 13 with 100, 5 at 500. it seems like 16 is here again. 16. Well, it's back. Tier section again. Fourth round in a row with the same section to go. That's tier section. 0, 3, 23, 26, 29, 30, 32, 28, and 35 are popular among the betting. So place more cash on them. Got a lot of numbers, please, up here. So, 3 lucky numbers are here. That's 5, 24, and 32. 24, 50 X's, just like 32, 5 at 100. And this is 9. 9 is here. Orphaland section it is. Line number once again, yet again, red. Quite dim at this moment on this betting grid. Not anymore, guys. Thanks so much for betting on this number. You still got a little bit more time if you'd like to actually make 24 brighter as well. Good luck. Numbers, please appear. 21 players were betting on the 3 lighted numbers here. That's 6, 21, and 26. 21, 50, 6, and 26, 150. And this is 11. 11 is here. This is the cool number. Tier section. Well, low one as well, and not. And hello to you as well, Yasama. How are you? How are you feeling today? I hope you're doing great. Personally, me, I'm feeling great. But I don't feel good for the weather, though. The weather is quite cold. But I'm still here. I'm not outside, so I'm feeling great. Once I'll go out, I don't think I will be happy, but still. 0, 2, 11, and 34, guys. 0 and 2 with 50s, rest of them with 100 X's. And this is 23. The number from tier section once again. Well, back to the red numbers, I guess. So, 38, 10, and 5. These are the named numbers here. For the few rounds in a row, we may see that 23 was always there, shine and shaking. Bets are closed. Oh, thank you for your time. So, 2 lucky numbers. 8 and 26. 2600, 8 with 50 X's here. So this is 21. 21 is here. This is the high and odd number, and we had 4 odd numbers in a row. So boys and girls, fellas, lioners who are and were betting on those odd numbers, well, congratulations if you did win much. So, anyways, no more bets, and it's time to see the line numbers. I hope we'll get them as well. Come on, line numbers, please. Line roulette, do your best as well. 50 and 34, 34 with 50, 15 with 50 as well. Oh, it seems like we just got the highest number on the wheel, on the roulette. This is 36. Yet again, red number, third dozen, third column, the neighbor number.